somewhere, I am definitely going to use them. They look good. Welcome back to my channel. I was pretty sick. My stone is still in a bad condition, but that doesn't stop me from you guys and making videos, of course. We're gonna try a product which I basically saw it on my Facebook feed. It was a promotional video. Yeah, it was an ad basically. That was a sponsor post from a Facebook page called 3 Second Lash.
Hi, I'm Taylor Baldwin, and I have to show you a true beauty innovation, 3 Second Lash. High quality magnetic lashes that are so beautiful. Literally takes 3 seconds. The secret is the micromagnetic technology that gently sandwiches your natural lashes between the lash strips to create bold, full lashes in seconds.
That video was super satisfying, and I clicked that link given there, and it took me to a website called fancy.in, and I purchased the product for 1068 rupees. And it was only one set of magnetic lashes. It's not like complete product like how it was shown in the video or in the US website. So fancy.in basically is Indian stuff, I guess. I am not. So let's get into the video. So after I ordered, I got the product in this pack, in this courier pack, and it came in this condition, and it was like this, you know. This is the whole pack. This is how it came. So as we open, there's this product here. So there is this instruction manual over here. The step 1 is basically applying mascara, and the second step is putting up the top lash. The third step is putting up the bottom lash. So they're gonna come up like that. Okay, so let's try this. You have 4 lashes, the top, bottom for both pairs. So let's zoom in and get this thing done. It was written apply a mascara first. So I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to curl. As you see, the magnet is like out there. So that magnet should go inside, and this should be on the top. I'm going to use my stopwatch here. I am going to start and then see how much time it will take for me to put that magnetic lashes. So, let's go. Okay, I'm going to put that on top like that. Okay. No. Okay. Bottom, go like that. Is it done? But as you see, it's still like that, and it's 1 minute 45 seconds. Let me just apply it on my other lash as well and see if I'll be able to do it better this time. It took me 1 minute 13 seconds for this thing. Like, this is how it looks. So here we go. That's how it looks on my eyes. To apply one of the lashes, it took me around 1 minute 13 seconds, so which is not even close to 3 seconds at all. But in 3 minutes you get done with both the eyes, and they are super good. I mean, I've never used this fake lashes, which are the glue ones, but I know how difficult they are, because I bought one probably 1 year back for myself from Nike or somewhere, and I couldn't even, because that was you know, I couldn't even put it on properly on my eye. It was going here and there and up and down, and even it doesn't stay quite well for me personally, because I am so bad at all this stuff, to be honest. These feel so good to me. Like, I am so happy that I'm having a fake lashes right now. and probably I'll use them a lot in my videos. And also if I go outside somewhere, I am definitely going to use them. They look good. So let's talk about how it feels on my eyes. So it doesn't feel heavy at all. I doesn't even feel like I have something on my eyes right now. But there's one thing that it might hurt you a little bit. But if you don't put it clearly. For example, there are like two lashes like this, and they have magnet over here and over here. So you gotta stick them like that. For example, if your skin comes in between like that, if you stick it like this, then it's going to hurt. So when it's going to hurt, you just got to grab it like a little bit outside so that it sticks only on the lashes, not on your skin. So I really love the product, and is it worth the price? It's 1068 rupees with the shipping. So I quite like this product, and I feel like you don't need a glue for this. You can just use it as you want, because there's no glue, so there's no kind of cleaning up and stuff. It's a magnet, so it's going to be like, it's going to stay for a long time, I feel. Apart from you know, you gotta take care of it a little bit, like don't pull it holding fibers, or else don't take it from this part holding fibers. So use the line which was given, you know, the lash line. So yeah, that is it. I quite like this product. I would rate this 10 by 10. So yeah, I quite like this product. I actually love it. So probably you're gonna see it a lot in my videos from now on. So if you want to buy this product, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below from where I got this. It's called fancy.in. So you can go purchase from there. It's probably $9.99 plus 68 or 70 is for the what we call it, for the shipping maybe. If you like this video, do hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.